Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So behind me is Dr. Robert's Lamborghini Aventador SV Roadster again tonight. This car just means a lot to me. It was one of the first Lamborghinis I sat in when I actually started my YouTube channel. Growing up as well, it's been one of my dream cars and still is. This car is amazing. It's equipped with a Capristo exhaust, so I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy the loud accelerations and sounds we give the car. This Lamborghini Aventador never disappoints. Whichever angle you look at the car, it just looks really nice. And I don't think there's anyone out there who has said the Aventador SV Roadster is a car that doesn't actually look great. The colour on this as well definitely suits the car, and overall it just looks really good. I thought I'd just quickly walk you guys around it before we get this started up.